Back, 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 back again. Back, 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 back again. Back, 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 back again. Yeah. Well, back, 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 back again. Back, back, back again. Back, 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 back again. On Triple T, and I'm back again. Well, Jesus, oh Jesus, I'm back, 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 back again. It's me, it's Triple T, and I'm not sure what's happening here. There's a lot of stuff happening here. I don't know what got into me today, guys. This is going to be ridiculous. There is Chinese food here. Oh my god. What is all this? Okay, this is like okay. Okay, guys. Okay, I'll get into this, Mama. You guys see all this? Okay, General Chicken. Okay, how am I gonna? I'm beyond the fridge for them. Okay. Oh goodness. This is out of control. I'm out of control. What is this? Okay, side of rice. I probably didn't need that, but that's... I can save that for a leftover meal. Okay, guys. Oh, fuck me. Come right aboard me. Oh my god. Okay, I don't think they gave me chopsticks. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just like beyond myself, guys. Oh my god. General Tao chicken. Mm. 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 Oh my god. Mm. 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 Oh, I have junior chickens, doubles, two snack wraps. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. Mm. 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 Oh my god. Mm. I think that's for the shrimps. Here, look at that. Mm. 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 Oh my god. Mm. Mm. A&W. Mm. Oh. Okay, guys, I can't show you all this. It's so much. Mm. Mm. Oh my god, guys. This is out of control. Why did I order all this? Oh my god. I'm so terrible. This is ridiculous. Mm. Mm.
Hmm. It's okay. It's not the best Chinese food I've ever had. This came free. Some sort of noodle dish. It's way too much food, guys. What's wrong with me? What am I thinking? I have so much food here. This is what you call compulsive. Okay, I need something better to get this rice. This is really compulsive. I don't know what came over me or why I felt that I needed to do this. But here we are. I'm already full. Now, mind you, I haven't eaten all day, but I feel full. This is unnecessary. Just unnecessary. But it's like, when will you ever learn? Okay, guys, I am already feeling full, and I feel kind of gross. That I have gone to this extreme here. I think I'm feeling full. And look how much is left. Everything. 90%. This is what a 3-day-old in your fridge poutine looks like. Is it 3 days or 2 days? Not too bad. Oh, 3-day-old poutine. Oh. Okay, 2 days. It was fine. It was refrigerated. Why are we eating this shit? Oh, leftovers, she better don't. It's actually not too bad. Oh my god, I almost lost it on the floor. Leftovers at its finest.